Hello guys, I'm playing Dress to Impress because I don't know why. I was just grinding the whole day because I wanted to see the hype. Why is it so popular randomly? So, what, Summer? I'm a girl. What? Why am I a girl? Why am I a girl? Why am I a woman? Why? What's this? Let me just, Summer. Let's give her yellow hair. Blonde. Let's just, does that work? Does that work? Yep, that works. That's good. Oh, 4.5 minutes left. Oh God. Why am I a girl though? Is there an option to become a boy? Also, yeah, guys, I have a fever. So, yay. I have a school trip tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think I can go. Yeah, I think I can. Even though I'm kind of sick. Okay. Yep. I'm sick. Now you have more proof. Yep. Wow, that was. Also, yes, I got all of the code items. Oh, that doesn't make a change at all. Oh, that's good. I've been doing this as a girl. I don't know why there isn't a way to. Let's use this pink bow thing. This bow thing. Make it orange. This looks nice. Okay, yeah. Use. Nope. Yeah, good. This is weird, being a girl. Let's add this necklace. Silver. Let's give her a stuff. Let's see what stuff suits Summer. As you can see, yeah, oh, this is Summer, I think. Ooh. Blue coconut. Ooh. Now let's keep it brown. Let's, some glasses. Now those sunglasses look good. Okay, yellow. Okay, make them black. Ew. Yep. Now let's make this black. Yeah, this is good. I guess. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Okay, I have a bad cold. I mean, cough. I had a fever. To check my temperature, because I have nothing better to do. Oh god. Oh god, 98.7. Yep. That's a fever in my book. In everyone's book too, I guess. Ponky one. Oh, 98.8. Okay, good. I guess. Not good, actually. Ooh. You know what? I feel like winning. I'm not gonna vote. Being a menace to society. I wanna grind. And so far, that's the best way. Okay, JK, I'm a nice guy. Sounds a 2-star. And obviously, I'm not gonna vote anyone 5-star because nobody's better than me. JK. I'm not a narcissist. No. Well, black and white. What? My internet? Why? You know, I hate this. Let's just... Ew. I did not like that. This one actually is nice. I know. You never expected me out of everyone to be making a Rescue Plus video. You wouldn't have. And trust me, I wouldn't have too. What is happening? The damn internet. Also, why do I sound like this? This is weird. Okay, we have a lot of time. Use some of our... Elegant. Yeah, let's keep that pink and make that red. Yep, that looks good. You know, this dress is a weird one. Also, I did not think I should I don't think I should just, yep, now it fits in. Fits perfectly. Okay. Hide it. Like, damn this fever. Just, 52. Let's do this. So far, I'm looking good. Let's take these sleeves. make this red. Looks a little weird, but who cares? Who cares? This is a code item here. Let's do black. No, let's do blonde. And brown. This looks cool. Yeah, this looks bad. Let's get some bangs. Hopefully that'll look good. Okay. No, I don't know if this is... Oh, God. Ah. Does that look good enough? I don't know. You know what? I hate this. I hate it. I hate having a fever. Dying while playing Dress to Impress. Oh, I think that can be the title of the video. You can hear all the coughs and sneezes, but I just did 2 sneezes and oh, who knows how many coughs. Oh, I hate this. Icy Snow. Yeah, suits your name. Give you a 2-star. Basic. Really basic, so. Wow. I know, why is it actually good? 3 stars. Just gonna move the watermark somewhere else. I'm guaranteed not to press. Nanu. Oh no, He. No. Nancy? Who's Nancy? Nancy. Ooh, this skirt. But it's kind of basic. You could have added... Oh, you know what? Who cares? Ooh. Oh, the way that the stars stretch while walking. Oh, why did she choose that pose? Why? Why these poses? I'm guessing she just randomly picked the pose. This is basic. But like still, it's nice. I'll forget it, please. Oh. Yep, mine looks too common. not too many people know that I'm barefoot. The shoes don't match. Nancy! Oh no! Nah, Nancy, too common. Sorry, I was late. But George, I'm just kidding. This is so weird. Jules, you're weird. You're really weird. Deserved. It sucks. Let me just cover it up. Yay, with this dress. Oh. Yep. Now I'm not half naked anymore. Okay. Wait, you know, I haven't shown my face in a long time in a video. This is boring. I'm gonna remove this dress thing. It looks kinda cool, you know, I like it. Emo? Why? Do they have an emo flip? Do they have one? Like, I need... Okay, obviously we're gonna need these shoes. Let's make it red. Dark red, because we're emo. Okay, no, let's keep it down. Now, this one... Okay, no, that's too... Okay, let's keep white. Actually, no, gray does the job. Yeah, this is good. Obviously, we had the stockings. Yep. Okay, now let's oh, these are for the hands. Let's see, we could use one something. That looks emo. Look at this. What did I use for the old one? Yep, we're going different. Oh, I bought this? Wow. I'm gonna get my black hair. Well, forgot I had to talk. Only then it'll keep people interested. This face is too happy. Let's just let's look at some poses that we can do. Let's do pose 30. Pose 24. Pose 23. What's nah? Okay, fine. Pose 23. Yep, and 22. So let's do pose 5. Pose 4. Okay. I will call you. Oh, let's see. You not had 3 minutes. So sorry. Best friends, yes. Salma! Yamna! Salma! No way! I will call you! Look at look at my new PJ! Okay, bye, call me! Salma! Yamna! Salma! Who's Salma and Yamna? Okay, don't leave decent eyes. People yelled brat at me, so I'm angry. You know, sad. Wow, I love reading sad. I love. She my friend. Ooh, the kitty. Wow. Also, how these people are too good. Not you, pre-buy. She's my friend. Not you, pre-buy. OMG, yes. Oh, wow. I did good. Drake. See my friend, not you, Preppy. OMG, yes. Drake. Me. Too bad, Marshall. Hashtag. Whoa. What is Kyla here trying to say? Tuli underscore 34. Yamna. Yeah. Mom or dad phone. Let's read the whole thing. Nancy! Oh no! Nah, Nancy! Too common. Sorry I was late, but George, I'm just kidding. You're not that at 3 minutes. So sorry. Best friends, yes. Salma! Yamna! Salma! No way! I'll call you. Okay, look at my PJ.
Okay, bye, call me. Okay, don't leave DTI. People yelled mad at me, so I'm angry. Yeah, I know. Sad. She my friend, not you, preppy. Yes, Drake. Me. Yumna. Yeah, mom and dad phone. Wait. Okay. Thank you.
So, not on the podium? Why? But I slayed.
2 minutes, Salma, for my mom.
Anyways, guys, I think I'm ending it here. I don't think anybody watched this far. Bye, Salman Yamna. If you're watching this video, hello, Salman Yamna.